furnace installation process. 1. Where your duct and drain will run. The return duct can be on the side or bottom of the unit and requires a hole to be cut into the unit. Most come pre-marked with the appropriate size opening needed. Next, decide which side the condensate drain will run on. Place your furnace into position, nearly level with a slight slope towards the condensed drain exit. 2. Ducting system. Upon correctly and adequately positioning the furnace unit, connect it to your home's ducting system. Ensure you've sealed any connection with a metal foil tape or a duct sealant. Do not use duct tape for this step as it will not last. 3. Vent pipes. Next, install intake and exhaust pipes. 4. Gas supply. Reconnect gas piping back. 5. Connect the electrical supply. There are generally 2 connections on a furnace, a low and line voltage. Be especially mindful of the polarity during this step. Before starting your new furnace for the first time, verify your wiring with the instruction manual. 6. Connect the condensate drain. Tie via a hose to a drain hole in your basement's floor. 7. Check your work. The final step in furnace installation requires turning the unit on and running through a heating cycle to ensure temperature outputs are where they should be according to the manufacturer. Give yourself about an hour's worth of runtime to check this. You should also double-check for any gas leaks, and to ensure the condensate drain is draining properly. Furnace installation remains a complicated undertaking with many complex steps, which requires qualified HVAC professionals in Ontario. The steps listed above simply provide homeowners with an idea of the challenges with furnace installation.